So if you have really dark, really bright, really outdated paint colors inside your home, I'm probably gonna suggest repainting before we list the house if you have enough time. Now, a common response to this is, well, what if the buyers don't like the new paint color either and they just decide to repaint after closing? And this is what I always tell people. So the majority of home buyers don't wanna have to touch anything immediately after closing. They don't wanna have to worry about painting before they move in or painting shortly after they move in. They don't wanna have to worry about replacing old carpets. They want to be able to move in and get settled into the place. When I suggest people paint, I suggest they paint in a light neutral color. Something that's not too yellow, something that's not too cold and gray, and keeping it pretty light so that rooms don't look too small or too dark. This is on trend and it appeals to the majority of buyers. It's going to go with their decor and their furniture. So if you're worried about buyers not liking the paint color you picked, take my advice and pick something neutral in that light grayish family, and you're gonna have a much easier time selling your home for top dollar.